Get the security and durability you need with the Total Control Handcuffs TCH Model 800. These nickel-plated standard-size handcuffs are precision engineered for complete control. The rotating arm swings through and engages the ratchet bars every time for reliable performance, while 3 independently moving ratchet bars help to prevent shimming. Double locking and 2 included keys ensure extra safety and compliance with the National Institute of Justice, while profiled rounded edges reduce risk of injury to the subject. While made in England, TCH Handcuffs Model 800 will provide you with total control. They also come in black, aluminum, and hinged.